God, Mithu, what you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you want to play the keyboard? Why are you sitting on the keyboard? Oh my God, you are playing some notes, Mithu. You're playing some notes. What are you playing? Oh my God, you're playing the Mozart, the Pink Panther theme. Yes, you are. Oh my God, I didn't know that you were a veteran, Mithu. You're playing notes. Oh my God, this is so crazy, Mithu. I cannot. You're playing the technical work, playing the scales and the chord knowledge. Mithu, you're so musical. Oh my God, let's open this. Let's open this. Let's open this. Maybe this will make sound, Mithu. I will teach you keyboard right now. And it will be great. Oh my God, there's some blue light. The keyboard is on. Let's try learning it. Okay, so let's turn up the volume, baby. Anyway. Mithu, do you like the voice? Do you like it? Do you like it? You like it. Okay, I'm gonna play you a song, Mithu. Let me play a song. Oh my God, I played the happy birthday wrong. Let me try again. Mama, Mithu gaya.